Going on? So today I want to answer a little question, and that is, are the KRK black monitors different from the KRK white monitors? Now, if you guys don't know about KRK, KRK began manufacturing their studio monitors back in about 2003. Their first ones were the Generation 1 studio monitors. We are currently in the year 2020, and you are looking at the KRK G4 8s. The G4, of course, stands for Generation 4. And the 8 stands for 8-inch low-frequency driver. KRK, they're a subsidiary of the Gibson company, and they're really well known for manufacturing studio monitors that are great for producers, mix engineers, and mastering engineers on budgets, or those who are just looking for a good set of low to mid-priced studio monitors for their home studio, professional studio, what have you. Now, it was a matter of time before KRK began kind of changing it up and producing these white monitors. So as right now, of course, you're looking at the black versions, but there is the KRK manufacturers have also come out with the white versions of these same studio monitors. And it's a cool thing for them to have changed everything up. So it's pretty safe to assume that most everyone that's watching this has seen these KRK studio monitors at one point or another. They definitely make their presence known in both black and white because of the yellow cones. You've seen them in studios. You've seen them in YouTube clips all over the place. And there's a good reason for it. I mean, for starters, they're wonderful studio monitors altogether. They have just really great sound. They've come a long way since Generation 1, and I think that they're a really solid choice for people who don't want to spend thousands of dollars on studio monitors but still want that really nice flat frequency sound. So actually, if you look back, the white studio monitors were released with the Generation 2 models, the Generation 3 models, and they have continued on to Generation 4. The only difference is here that they are white, and these ones are black. There is absolutely no difference in sound, and if you put them right next to each other, did a blind test, and you played them, I would say that you're pretty much gonna get the exact same response out of listening to them. For me, I personally like the black versions here. I think they're definitely a lot sleeker. They just have that sort of professional look, and then also that classic KRK look that everyone knows and loves. And for me, it just kind of fits with my environment. I'm not really into the bright white kind of look. I think for starters, also those tend to get a little bit dirty. Or they could. You have to really make sure that you're keeping them clean. Of course, on the other hand, the black studio monitors tend to get a little bit dusty, so you will have to dust more often when you have the black ones. But it's if you're a clean freak, maybe you won't have a problem with that anyway. But yeah, so hopefully that squashes the debate that's going on about whether or not these studio monitors are different. I mean, look at the specs. You look at the the manual sheets and everything, you'll realize that it's all the same thing. There's just a different color on the outside. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or any insights into which of the KRK Rokits you like better, the black or the white, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.